Number 13 says, from the information in the diagram, can you prove triangle FDE is congruent to triangle FDG? I think I read those letters backwards, but either way, we want to prove our triangles are congruent. Again, for these ones, we are looking for like side, 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 angle, angle, or angle, side. I always forget there's HL too. So the first thing I'm going to do is anytime you see a line right down the middle like this, you should put a congruent mark on it, because even if it isn't marked, I know that both of my triangles use it. I cannot use angle as an option. That thing does not exist. I wanted to, because the first thing I noticed is that, hey, all of these angles match. But I also know those sides match. So really, I know I have an angle on both sides, and then we have this side down the middle, and then we have this angle here. So really, my answer for this one's going to be angle, side, angle. Mostly because I know we have that congruent side right down the middle. Next one says, which pair of triangles is congruent by angle, side, angle? We need a side in between our two angles. I noticed for this one, A, we have an angle, we have a side, we have another angle. But if I look at this triangle, it doesn't match the first one. So A is out right off the bat. B, we have a side, then we have an angle, and we have a side. We needed two angles and a side. We got two sides and an angle, so C is out. B has a side, angle, side. So this one's SAS 2. So that one's out. And then let's look at D. We have angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. That one works. So our answer is D. 15 says, if angle A is congruent to angle D and C is congruent to F, what additional statement allows you to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by angle, side, angle? So I know A and D are the same, so I'm going to mark those. I also know F and C are the same, so I'm going to mark those. And we want to use angle, side, angle, and the key here is that the side needs to be between my two angles. So in my first triangle, we need AC. In my second triangle, we need DF. So we're looking at AC is congruent to DF. In theory, you could also write this as CA is congruent to FD. So we are looking for one of these two options. You can cross out anything that's an angle to begin with. We don't need BC and EF. We don't need AB and DE. We just need C, which is AC and DF.